Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create animated text on Instagram stories. So let's start. First of all, you have to go to your Play Store and open it. In this section you just type in the search bar Hypetext animated text and intro maker, and after installing this application simply click on open. So just wait for a while. And here you see all of your text, so simply choose the one and then simply click on allow. Here you just select photo, video, color or background, so simply you just select background and download it and use it and create animation, click on. And here you just simply type your text and then save this. And here you just simply, if you want to change animation, so click on change animation and select another one. And after you complete your editing, simply click on the check mark and then click on the arrow icon on the top right corner of your screen. And here you just simply click on export and share it to your Instagram stories as you normally do. That's it. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.